What if the perfect pill isn't a pill at all? Every year, we spend billions on synthetic supplements, trying to manufacture the health that nature already perfected millions of years ago. Today, we are stepping inside the ultimate fruit pharmacy. We've identified 12 exotic biological keys that don't just supplement your health, they rewrite it. From the blood pressure shield to the brain fog hack, we're showing you exactly what the supplement industry doesn't want you to find in the wild. These 12 powerhouses offer more than just flavor, they are biological masterpieces designed to fuel your body and mind. Starting with number 12, the baobab fruit. The baobab fruit is unique because it naturally dries on the branch, creating a nutrient-dense powder. It is a massive source of prebiotic fiber, which feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut. With 10 times the vitamin C of oranges and twice the calcium of milk, it's a total body tonic used traditionally in Africa to relieve joint pain and improve intestinal transit. Number 11, the eye protector goji berries. Goji berries are the fruits of eternal youth. They are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that specifically protect the retina by filtering harmful blue light from digital screens. They also contain more beta-carotene than carrots, providing a natural boost to skin health and immune defenses. Number 10, the kiwi. Kiwi's digestive prowess is a unique proteolytic enzyme called actinidin. This enzyme helps break down proteins, including those from meat, dairy, and soy, more efficiently than your body's natural digestive enzymes alone. By speeding up gastric emptying, kiwi can help reduce the feeling of bloating after a heavy, protein-rich meal. Number 9, dragon fruit. Dragon fruit is a surprisingly good source of magnesium, providing as much as a half cup of cooked kale in a single serving. Magnesium is essential for nerve health and muscle relaxation. Additionally, the seeds of the fruit provide essential fatty acids, while the pulp offers a variety of inflammation-fighting flavonoids like betalains, which are also found in beets. Number 8, the passion fruit. Passion fruit contains harmala alkaloids like harmane, which have been studied for their sedative effects. Consuming passion fruit or its juice can significantly increase the duration of slow-wave sleep, deep sleep, while decreasing the time it takes to fall asleep. This makes it a perfect evening snack for those looking to improve their vigilant states, naturally. Number 7, wild blueberries. Wild blueberries are essentially brain fuel, thanks to their specific anthocyanins that can cross the blood-brain barrier. Research indicates that as little as 12 weeks of supplementation can produce significant improvements in visuospatial memory and executive function. They work by increasing cerebral blood flow and stimulating neurogenesis in the hippocampus, the area of the brain most sensitive to aging. Number 6, the GAC fruit. Known as fruit from heaven in Southeast Asia, GAC fruit is one of the densest sources of lycopene on the planet, boasting up to 70 times more than tomatoes. This, combined with high levels of beta-carotene, makes it a powerhouse for vision health, helping to prevent cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. It is also traditionally used to combat anemia due to its significant iron and folic acid content. Number 5, acerola cherry. The acerola cherry is a cornerstone for natural beauty, acting as a critical cofactor for the enzymes, specifically prolyl hydroxylase, that stabilize collagen molecules. Regular intake has been shown to improve skin hydration and elasticity in middle-aged adults. Its high bioavailability means the vitamin C is absorbed more efficiently than synthetic supplements, providing better protection against UV-induced skin damage. Number 4, kemu kemu. If you think oranges are the gold standard for vitamin C, meet the kemu kemu. This Amazonian superfruit contains between 2,000 and 3,000 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 g, roughly 20 to 50 times more than an orange. Because it is naturally low in sugar and high in ellagic acid, it is a highly efficient way to support immune function and collagen production without the glycemic load of citrus juices. Number 3, acai. Hailing from the Amazon, acai berries are loaded with anthocyanins and proanthocyanidins, which provide their deep purple hue. These berries are unique for their high lipid profile, containing heart-healthy omega fats alongside their fiber content. In clinical settings, acai has been shown to protect against metabolic stress and reduce markers of inflammation, making it an excellent recovery food after physical exertion. Number 2, the avocado. More than just a source of healthy fat, avocados are a strategic tool for blood sugar management. They are high in monounsaturated fats and fiber, a combination that slows gastric emptying and blunts post-meal glucose spikes. Studies have linked daily avocado consumption to lower HbA1c levels, particularly in individuals with type 2 diabetes, by replacing processed carbohydrates with slow-burning fats. Number 1, pomegranate. The pomegranate is often celebrated for its punicalagins, unique polyphenol found almost exclusively in this fruit and its juice. These compounds act as potent antiatherogenic agents, meaning they help combat the buildup of arterial plaque. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation within the vascular system, pomegranates support the stabilization of existing plaques and may even slow the progression of atherosclerosis. You don't need a farm to start your fruit journey. Dragon fruit can be grown easily from seed on a moist paper towel. Once sprouted, they just need a sunny spot and vertical support as they grow. Goji berries are surprisingly hardy and can tolerate various soils, though they prefer a slightly alkaline pH to produce the best fruit. For a tropical vibe, passion fruit vines thrive against a sunny, sheltered wall and can start producing fruit in as little as 18 months. Which of these fruits are you most excited to add to your daily routine, or are you planning to try growing one of them yourself?